Magandang araw mga classmate. Ngayong araw ay pag-uusapan natin kung paano mag-translate ng mga English sentences to mathematical sentences. So kung babalikan natin yung ating nakaraang aralin, so pinag-usapan natin na yung mga phrases or English phrases can be translated into variable expression. So this time, mga English sentences naman gagawin nating mathematical sentence. Okay, so halimbawa, let's say, meron tayong expression or phrase. Halimbawa, the cost of several pencils at 3 pesos each. Okay, so kung gagawin natin siyang, or isusulat natin siya into an expression, so we can say that that can be represented by 3x. So yung 3, ito yung presyo ng lapis bawat isa. So, itong X represent the number of pencil. So, ibig sabihin, this is an example of an algebraic expressions or variable expression. So, if you're going to analyze, medyo bitin yung thought na gusto niyang ibigay. Pero kung dadagdagan natin yung phrase kanina, let's say, several pencil which cost at 3 pesos each is 24 pesos. So this time, we'll have 3x, sabi natin is 24 pesos. Okay, so this time, meron na tayong tinatawag na mathematical sentence considering na kumpleto na yung details na binigay doon sa ating example. So, ano ba ang mathematical sentence? So, aside from that, mathematical sentence make use of relational symbol like less than or equal. So katulad nung nakikita natin dito. So gumamit tayo ng relational symbol na equal. Another one is yung less than symbol, greater than, yung less than or equal to. So ito yung symbol niya. Then the last one is greater than or equal to. Okay, so additional. So, if the mathematical sentence uses equal sign, then it's an equation. So, katulad nung example natin kanina. So, that is an example of an equation considering na ang ginamit nating relational symbol ay equal sign. So, otherwise, it is an inequality kung ang ginamit natin is less than, greater than, less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to. So let us try to translate this English sentence into mathematical sentence. Okay. So let's say we have to translate a number increased by 7 is 25. So this is an English sentence. So ita-translate natin into mathematical sentence. Okay. So, if you will analyze or kung mapapansin natin dito, a number, sabi dito is, ibig sabihin, this is an identified number. So, this can be represented by any letters na merong value. So, in this lesson, ang gagamitin natin is, let's say, X. So, laging X ang gagamitin natin para sa lesson natin dito. So, etong word na increase by, based dun sa ating past lesson, so ang operation na involved dyan is addition. Then, 7, or a number increased by 7 is, okay, so this is a verb that is always denoted doon sa equal sign. So, tandaan na kapag nakita natin yung word na is, so lagi siyang equal. And then, yung last na detail, so which is 25. So, ibig sabihin, a number increased by 7 is 25. In a mathematical sentence can be represented by x plus 7 equals to 25. Okay, so let's have another one. So this time, the sum of three consecutive numbers is 48. Okay, so analyze uli natin. So the sum of three consecutive numbers, so ibig sabihin, tatlong magkakasunod na number. So ang number na yon hindi natin alam. So ibig sabihin, uh, we'll represent that again by a variable. So this time, x uli. So let's say ito yung ating first number. So anong magiging second number natin? Kung siya ay consecutive or magkasunod na numbers, ibig sabihin, mag-i-increase siya ng 1. So ibig sabihin, yung first number natin plus 1, so yun yung ating second number. Then, so yung ating magiging third number is x plus 2. So nanggaling siya sa x plus 1, ito yung ating second number, dagdagan pa natin ng isa. So yun yung ating magiging third number. So ito yung ating third number. Okay, so pwede na nating gamitin itong information na meron tayo. Okay, so the sum of three consecutive numbers. So meron na tayong three consecutive numbers. So we have x plus yung susunod sa kanya, x plus 1 plus x plus 2. Okay, so yung word na is, so equals to 48. Okay, so ito yung ating mathematical sentence para sa number 2. Para sa pangatlo nating sentence, we have Brian's age is half the age of Joseph 5 years ago. The sum of their ages now is 50. Okay. So, in this case, pwede tayong gumamit dito ng table or tabular form para makabuo tayo ng equation that will represent the sentence. Okay, so let's say, yung unang column, yung ating dalawang pangalan. So, yung una si Brian and then yung pangalawa si Joseph. Okay. So, yung pangatlong column, yung pangalawang column, so let's say ito yung column para yung sa edad nila ngayon. And then yung pangatlong column, ito yung age 5 years ago. So, ano yung edad nila 5 years ago? Okay, so sabi dito sa sentence, analyze natin. Brian's age is half the age of Joseph 5 years ago. Okay. So, let's say, by the way, ang technique na ginagamit dito ay, alamin nyo muna kung sino yung basic na given. So, dito, ang mas basic na given ay yung kay Joseph. Kasi yung kay Brian, medyo komplikado kasi may nakalagay na Brian's age is half the age of Joseph. So, ibig sabihin, nakadepende yung edad ni Brian kay Joseph. So, let's say, ang edad ni Joseph ngayon can be represented by X. And then, kung ang edad niya ngayon ay represented by X, so 5 years ago, bawasan lang natin siya ng 5. So, ibig sabihin, 5 years ago is X minus 5. Okay, so from here, pwede na nating makuha yung edad para kay Brian. So sabi ngayon, age now. Brian's age is half the age of Joseph 5 years ago. So kalahati nung edad ni Joseph 5 years ago. So ibig sabihin, that is 1/2 of age of Joseph 5 years ago. Okay, so ang edad niya ngayon is represented by 1/2 times x minus 5. And then, 5 years ago, so magiging 1/2 by x minus 5 minus 5. 5 years ago. Okay. So, ano magiging equation natin? Kung hanapin natin ay yung sum ng kanilang age ngayon. So, ang equation natin ay 1/2 times x minus 5. Ito yung edad ngayon ni Brian. Plus x is 50. Okay, so ito yung ating magiging equation. Actually, ito yung tinatawag natin na working equation. So, dito tayo, ito yung i-evaluate natin para masagot yung question. So, yun ay pag-aaralan natin sa mga susunod pa nating aralin. So, for the meantime, so, translation lang muna tayo. Okay, so sa pang-apat nating statement, we have 7 less than 4 times a number is 29. Find the number. Okay, so ito yung klase ng sentence na marami tayong classmate na medyo nalilito. Okay, kasi if we're going to analyze the problem o yung sentence, gagawin nating mathematical sentence. Okay, so isulat natin sa tapat. So let's say this is 7. Ang less than, sabi natin sa last na lesson natin about verbal expression to mathematical expression, ang less than, ang operation niya is subtraction. 4 times a number. 4 times a number. Ang number natin, again, is yung variable represented by x is 29, sabi dito sa sentence. Okay. Pero if we're going to write this into mathematical sentence, so this can, or this should be written as 4x minus 7. Okay, so ito yung maraming nagkakamali. So, hindi ibig sabihin 7 less than 4 times a number is 7 minus 4x. So, that's the other way around. Ibig sabihin, that is 4x minus 7 and not 7 minus 4x. Okay, so tuloy natin is 29. Ibig sabihin, 4x minus 7 is equal to 29. Okay, so ito na ngayon yung ating equation. Okay, so for our fifth sentence, so we have the length of rectangular field is 10 meters less than 9 times the width. The perimeter is 140 meters. Find the length. Okay, so paano natin siya gagawing mathematical sentence? Okay, so this one, ibang approach naman ang gagawin natin in this case. So, magbi-visualize tayo dito or modeling ang gagamitin natin. So, analyze natin. Sabi, ang rectangle daw, ang kanyang width ay, so yun yung ating magiging ire-represent ng variable which is x kasi yun yung basis ng ating length. Okay, so ang length daw sabi is 10 meters less than 9 times the width. So kung etong part na to yung width, yung length, so ang sukat daw niya is, again, meron tayong less than dito, baka magkamali na naman. So unahin natin 9 times the width, ibig sabihin 9 times the width. So ang width natin is x, so 9 times x less than 10. Okay, so hindi pa tayo tapos kasi may given pa na perimeter. So we all know that the formula para sa perimeter ng rectangle, we have 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. Okay, so pwede na nating palitan. So ang perimeter na given is 140. So this is equal to 2. So ang length natin ay ito, 9x minus 10 plus 2. So ang width natin ay x. So magiging 2x. So ito na ngayon yung ating equation para sa number 5. Okay, so for our sixth sentence, we have the difference between 3 times a number and 2 is less than 20. Okay, so this one, meron na tayo kaagad clue na hindi siya equation, kung hindi siya inequality. Okay, so analyze ulit natin. The difference between 3 times a number. So, ibig sabihin, Ito yung 3, so yung number is x. So, difference daw nung 3 times a number, we have 3x. So, difference nung 3 times a number and 2. Okay, so meron na tayong translation mula rito. Sabi dito, is less than 20. So, ang gagamitin natin is yung symbol for less than 20. Okay, so ito na yung ating mathematical sentence, which is an inequality. So, this is for number 6. So, for our last example, we have the sum of 3 even numbers is not more than 60. Again, so meron na kaagad tayong clue na hindi ito equation. Kasi kung i-analyze natin yung sum daw ng tatlong magkakasunod, actually this is the sum of 3 consecutive even numbers. Gawin natin consecutive even numbers. Is not more than 60. Hindi lalagpas ng 60 ang kanilang sum. Okay, so katulad dun sa number 2 example, so ang ating magiging unang number is x. So kung kasunod niya ay even number, so ibig sabihin ang i-add natin dito is 2. Kasi even. So let's say ang first number natin ay 2. So yung kasunod niya is 4. So ano idadagdag natin sa 2 para maging 4? So 2 ang idadagdag natin, kaya x plus 2. Okay, so ano yung magiging pangatlo nating number? So ang ating pangatlong number is x plus 4. Okay, so meron na tayong tatlong magkakasunod na even number. So ibig sabihin, pwede na natin isulat as x plus 2 plus x plus 4 is not more than 60. So, yung question, ano yung gagamitin nating symbol kapag ang sentence is not more than? So, analyze natin. Pag sinabi natin is not more than, hindi lalagpas ng 60. Pero, pwede siyang maging equal sa 60 at mas maliit sa 60. So, ang gagamitin natin dito is less than or equal to. Ito yung symbol para doon. Okay, kung so babasahin natin tong inequality na to. So, we have x plus 2 plus x plus 4 is less than or equal to 60. Okay, so that's it. I hope ay meron kayo natutunan sa lesson natin ngayong araw, and feel free to share this video to others, especially sa iba pa nating classmate, para mas marami pa tayong matulungang iba. Until next time!